Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Hills Rotary 6 folding clothesline. This clothesline will suit between 2 to 3 people. Now that does depend on your wash size. It has a head diameter of 3 metres, which means from tip to tip is 3 metres. When you install the clothesline, it's really important to leave at least 500 millimetres each side of the clothesline, which gives the clothes the freedom to spin. It has 6 lines and it has 36 metres of hanging space. Now the longest line, which is actually 2 metres long, is the outer line. Now that will enable you to fit a double sheet. However, it does depend on the brand, so sometimes they can be a little scrunched up. The clothesline is made of a galvanised high tensile steel. It is also powder coated to protect it from the elements and is available in several colour options. Now the post diameter is 57 millimetres. Now the clothesline is easy to assemble and install. The clothesline is actually pre-wired, so you don't have to put the wires in. When you install it, you receive a socket, which also comes complete with 3 spaces. This enables you to adjust the initial height of the clothesline when you're installing it. So you install that as part of the instruction manual, insert your clothesline, put the lower section in first, click the top part in, and that's it. That's all you got to do to install it. It's a very easy process to do. Now in terms of tensioning, each one of the cords goes through the arm and tensions off at one end. The clothesline comes with a full 10 years manufacturer warranty on the frame. Now the height is adjustable using this stylish handle, and when you're not using the clothesline, to give you back valuable space or just hide it, you actually fold it down. Now I'm just going to show you how easy that is to do now. You basically press this in and you just bring the clothesline down like this. Very easy, very simple process. And if you want to get more space, you simply remove it, you take it out of the socket and take it away. Very versatile product, very popular product. So that, I hope, has given you an insight into the Hills Rotary folding clotheslines. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.